$15 million in a single day. We're doing this again. We're going to react to this video. We're going to see, is it actually legit? Because this is a video posted by a channel called Trades by Psy. 470,000 subscribers, and this video has over 123,000 views. Is it real? Is it not? I haven't watched this video, but you know how I feel about this sort of thing. Hopefully, I can be proven wrong. Let's see. Okay, right off the bat, I mean, MT4, MT5, huge balance, $23 million, down $276,000. We all know that MetaTrader is like the easiest thing to fake. This could be a demo account. This could be a, you know, one of those sketchy brokerage accounts. I'm not saying that's what's going on. We're trying to keep an open mind, but obviously, if you've seen all the other reaction videos on this channel, we have to be skeptical because, I mean, if you're making $15 million in a day, are you really going to have a YouTube channel? I don't know. Let's see.
So as soon as it comes above 4,683, we'll look for a price to break above that 706 level. And then we'll look for a price to come above 733. But other than that, everything looks good. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. We just finished live streaming. It is currently 10:23. I live stream every day at 9 o'clock in the morning, so 9 a.m. EST. And as you can see already, we are in a trade for the stream. As you can see right now, we're in a little bit of drawdown, but I'll explain it to you what we're looking for. So as we can see, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price has broken above this swing high right here. So this swing high has been broken and price had made an indication. So since price has made that indication, all I'm looking for is the 1 hour and every other time frame under the 4 hour to align, because as you can see, this red candle is the correction. So we have the indication, the correction. I would go to a 1 hour time frame. I can see, let's go here. I can see that price ended up correcting for that 1 hour. So as you can see, there is a correction here. All I did was I found the level of support that it was going to make, marked at that support, go to the 15-minute time frame, and wait for the 15-minute time frame to go back bullish above the previous indication level. So as you can see, price is coming back above that previous indication level as we speak right now, and we are currently in that trade. So our trade setup looks sort of like this, with our stop loss under here, and I'll be targeting. So I'll zoom back out, go back to the 1 hour, I'll zoom out, and I'll go target this high up here. We could look for 706 first, because that is that high level right there. But
okay, so basically the most simple, straightforward, simple strategy that exists. We've seen this time and time and time again. It's literally like the first strategy that every trader learns when they get into trading. Nothing wrong with that. Love simplicity, literally nothing wrong at all. But so far, in terms of actual trading strategy, it is as basic as it comes.
High up here. We could look for 706 first, because that is that high level right there. But I'll look for 800. So right around this 800 mark, I'll look for 800 on gold to hit. But as you can see right now, we're already in this swing trade, and we are currently pretty sure we're still in drawdown. Oh no, we're like roughly break even right now. But as you can see, looking not too shabby. A little bit. Yo, we just gotta give it time. We gotta have some patience, give the trade some time to digest and, you know, get itself together. But this is going to be a great buy trade.
I'm trying to keep an open mind. I'm really trying to keep an open mind, and I really don't want to say anything negative. I don't. But it's kind of so far copy and paste of everything you see in the trade. I honestly, I'm trying to be as kind as I can. Maybe we just have to keep watching. Maybe I won't come to any conclusions just yet. But the trading, the shopping, and now rapping. I'm hot for my birthday.
Okay with that,
Stop getting very sticky. Bro, for the first time, this shit is hella fun. I overly gotta do this. I got so low, it took me right to the moon, it took me right to the stars. Baby, we can go far. Yeah, the shit is amazing. Made it out the matrix. Talk a lot on the net, but when you see me, you don't even say shit. You run out of money.
I thought this was a trading video. I'm a little bit lost.
Amazing, made it out the matrix. Talk a lot on the net, but when you see me, you don't even say shit. You run out of money. Yeah, that shit look like a flip bricks. Yeah, that shit look like I hit links. Yeah, that shit look like I up blinks. Watch how they gun quick. Watch how this Uzi spit. Watch how that Draco spit. Yeah, this shit a full clip. Yeah, that shit is extended clip. That little bitch on the best. She just wanna fuck, I told her, baby, let me crush. I'm like, goddamn, baby, tell me you a mess. I just wanna fuck with you, you know I passed the test. So I'm like, miss.
The entire country can be taken out in one night, and that night might be tomorrow night.
Right now, I'm not sure. Okay, so we obviously know that this whole like little level right here, this whole small little level right here is being respected. Strong. Right? We can obviously see it came up to here, sold off, came up to here, sold off, came up to here, sold off again. So we do know that. Now, the question is, am I counting these as the higher lows and prices getting higher? So this will be the strong level of support that price kept bouncing off yesterday. So right now we have a low. So it looks like a low. This high, a low again, a high again, a low. So respecting low. Comes up to this high again, and then we're just still respecting this level of support. So I think the best bet here, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Okay, I think the best bet here is to set an alert here for sales and keep all buys above this level, because obviously there's a strong amount of sellers right here. Strong amount of sellers right here, sellers that do not want price to be above 4,700. There's a strong amount of sellers, right? We have good amount of buyers holding up price here, so price is being held up respectfully here, but there's a strong amount of sellers because every time price gets to here, it sells off, but it still holds the structure of higher lows. It still holds those higher lows.
I feel like this is a perfect example of just trying to force a trade of like, you're literally just seeing a period of consolidation in the market, and it's like, is it a buy, is it a sell? Like, why don't you just wait until there's something that's clear rather than forcing things? Also, I'm not a fan of waiting for confirmation, which is very counterintuitive, but I took a course once that actually explained it really, really well. Yeah, who knew that courses could actually teach you something? But basically, if you wait for confirmation, it actually increases your risk, which seems counterintuitive, but it's because your stop loss has to be much larger if you're waiting for confirmation, right? So if you have a pending order, all of the trades that I take are always with pending orders, right? Your stop loss can be much smaller, aka you have a lower risk. Whereas if you wait for that confirmation, if you wait for that breakout, all of a sudden your risk to reward could get absolutely destroyed. Your stop loss has to be much larger. So he's waiting for confirmation. Certainly works for tons of traders, just not something that I actually like the pending order type of trading much better.
So as you can see, higher low here, higher low here. Buyers are getting stronger and stronger. So I think we just wait. And once again, I'm not a scalper. I'm a swing trader. I'm not a scalper. I'm a swing trader. And please help. I have no control over what the market does. I have literally zero control over what the market does. So we have to be patient. I have no control over what the market does, so we have to be patient. Why am I not emotional? Guys, I still got to wake up the next day and I still have to put in a trade. So, or I still have to keep going. So it doesn't really matter. If I sit here and cry about a loss, then it's just like, I'll just cry. But it's like, what's the point? What's the point of crying about a loss when you can just go make it back? Yeah, it's consolidating. I mean, I wouldn't say I'm stuck on a bullish bias, but are you blind? Do you not see higher level of support here? The support level gets higher here. The support is respected here.
Okay, so we're going to fast forward in the video here because he's basically just sort of repeating himself here in terms of what the market's doing and what he thinks it's going to do. So we are going to fast forward.
But I just got off the phone with the president, and he called, and I said, listen, if you were to put odds on it, what were the odds that this is going to end up being a negotiated deal? He said he wasn't going to put odds on it, but he said 8 p.m. is happening. That's what he said. He said, it is, if we get to that point, there is going to be an attack like they have not seen. Now, he's sticking to that at this point. Now, he said if negotiations move forward today and there is something concrete, that could change. But at this hour, he didn't want to put odds on it, but he said it is moving forward with the plans that we have. That's a huge deal. And obviously, we all think that it's a thing that he's putting out there to say, don't do this. He says he doesn't want to do it, but he is, at this hour, sticking to it and saying it might be likely if they don't come to the table.
Price on gold broke above that level that we was looking for. Now look at it. Mooning. Fucking mooning. Right now, on the stream account, we are up.
Okay, just this photo alone, there's a lot to break down. First of all, let's assume that it's real. His balance is $1.4 million, and his profit, his floating profit here is $4 million, meaning the move that he just showed us was very small, meaning he completely risked the entire account on this one trade, assuming that it's real. If it had moved just a small amount against him, it would have completely wiped out the entire account. So risk management, this is clear right here, zero risk management whatsoever. It is a full margin, full port trade on gold, 100% full stop.
$4 million. We done quadrupled the account. Then we have $7.5 million.
So here the balance is $21 million. It's all buy 50, buy 50, buy 50, buy 50 lots on. This is so fake. I'm just gonna, I mean, unless there's additional proof coming, literally anybody can open up a MetaTrader account, just put, you know, as much as they want on it. Even the risk management here, it's a small move that's taken place. He's up $7 million on a 21 million account balance, which is a huge percentage on a small move. This could have been wiped out completely. Anybody with $21 million is not going full margin on a small trade like this.
Dollars on my main account. As you can see, $29 million. I'm not gonna lie.
The move is literally so small. It's one singular 4-hour candle.
This is insane.
We got a hair change mid video. I mean, the pink is something.
Yo, y'all haven't even seen the new hair color and like that. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter. I'm gonna make so much money this year because I'm so locked in right now. I'm just like, I'm absolutely locked in, and the most craziest things and craziest ideas that I really think I can hit $1 billion before I'm 25.
You have got to be kidding me. You have. This is why when you tell somebody you're a trader, it's such a bad vibe. People look at you like, oh, so basically you're broke. Basically you make no money. It's these types of videos, it's these types of traders that give the entire industry a bad rap. We've seen no brokerage statement. We've seen that he's full margin the entire account, which is likely a demo account. No proof whatsoever. And now he's saying, oh, I'm going to be a billionaire by 25. And people in the comments will probably be like, oh, there's such a limiting mindset. Like, it's just, oh, it's so frustrating on so many levels. And I feel like this has been painful to watch, to be honest. I'm sure the video to 99% of you is coming across the exact same way. So really, there's not that much to say.
22 now, 23 next month. I think I can hit $1 billion before I'm 25. And as long as I continue to build on what I have right now, build on everything I've saved up so far, everything that I've, made so far, and I think I can really do it. I'm not gonna lie, I think I could do it. But right now, I'm just flabbergasted. I guess you could say I'm flabbergasted as
Flabbergasted. Not flabbergasting.
because I was just thinking, like, I took that loss yesterday, or technically today, this morning, I took that loss, and I'm like, but the chart's is saying this, why is it not moving? And just to replace that trade again once I hit my alert, because I got an alert earlier today, like right around like 4 o'clock in the afternoon EST, and I was like, oh, price is going above 4,700. I'm like, oh shit, this is my chance. I get in for the trade, and now I'm back just rechecking it because my alerts are going off, and I see that price is all the way at fucking 4,800. Like, look at this. It's at 4,800 as we speak. Look at that.
Okay. This was painful to watch. However, let's find the positives. The positive is this guy is a fantastic marketer. Clearly something is working. He's got way more subscribers than I do, way more views than I get. He is an excellent, excellent marketer. So almost 500,000 subscribers, by all means, an absolutely brilliant marketer. If we go to his entire channel, we can see, if we go to oldest, he has been consistent. He's been posting for 3 years. His most popular video 10 months ago has 1.3 million views, which is honestly absolutely insane. Fantastic marketer. Let's also find some of the comments. Okay, you're so dumb if you believe this. Yeah. Okay. Generational bag. No, I made $100 million yesterday. Like, if you think so. Okay. So overall, I'm calling complete fake, right? A fantastic marketer. I don't like to be negative in these videos. Obviously, these types of videos get a ton of clicks, get a ton of views, but it puts such a bad taste in your mouth. This is why the trading industry has such a bad reputation, because of these influencers, because of these YouTubers. No brokerage statement, no actual genuine proof that he made a legitimate $15 million. Literally is zero whatsoever. And so I highly encourage you to do your own research when it comes to all trading influencers and the claims that they are making. It's traders like this that make you think that you're a bad trader because, oh, if they're making $15 million in a single day and you're grinding away trying to make 2% a month on your account, oh, you're doing something wrong. You're not doing something wrong. Well, you are. The thing you're doing wrong is you're believing people that are lying to you. So, I mean, crazy video. Absolutely crazy. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.